Guys, welcome to Shops Set It. I got some good stuff today. I just want to go over a couple things here. Today's really just going to be a SPAC talk that is special acquisition company. And there's a lot of good ones still right now. So obviously, as I've been talking about it, we're in BFT. So BFT caught a nice little bid today. Right, shot up, opened up at around 1373. Now it's currently trading at 1447. Again, this is a long-term hold for me, so not too worried about this one. I set a mark down here in case it gets down to this level. I might consider getting out, which definitely could, because this is where it broke out. But I still might not. Again, this is a long-term hold, not too worried about it as well. Let's look at another one here. So we got Clover here. I stopped out of this one a while back. This is one that I thought was definitely going to rocket, which it did down here. But I stopped out about right when I saw this this red ticker up here, right when it got up to about 1231. I was like, okay, I'm out. And obviously it isn't doing so well, and not all of them will. A lot of them are going to stop and pause like this. So just be cautious of that, and let's keep going down the list here. Got a CRHC, that's Conrodman's Holding Corporation. This is actually looking pretty decent. It's moving up nicely. Again, a lot of these are still going to be dead money until obviously they make a deal with a company. So again, EQD, it's pretty dead. I'm gonna skip a little bit here. Go to IOPC. Excuse me, that's IPOC. So this had a nice little tick down to about 1486, bounce back up, trading at 1547 currently. Again, this is a long-term hold, so not too worried about this. And one thing to notice too, when you see these long wicks like this, and this isn't true, it's not 100%, obviously a good stable trade, but when you see these long wicks like this, like especially this one, there's so much volume in this one, and then this one today, usually this is like a good area where the institutions are going to support. Now, that's not saying that it's going to not drop down, and who knows, I mean, this thing could even crash if they don't find a deal. But obviously we trust in Chamath and Shamith, and he's saying good things, and I see this taking off in very soon, in very short time. And that's same for IPOD. He wants one in every letter out of the alphabet. So this one's just a little more dead than IOPC. It's just kind of holding right now and doing some nice little consolidation. So keep that on the radar. That's something to look into. And then we also have NP over here. Had definitely a nice sell-off. I'm thinking about getting back in NP. This could be a good long-term hold. It had a nice pullback so far. But we'll just keep that one on the radar, kind of see what it does. And then let's just look at a couple more here. Okay, so we got RTP. That's Reinvent Technology Partners. Looks like dead money to me still. Whenever you see the SPAC kind of just go up and down like this, up and down, I mean, it could definitely take off. Who knows, even tomorrow when they find a deal. But right now, it's just really dead money. So just kind of keep that on the radar. Same with Sandbridge Acquisition Corp. That's SBG. And then Supernova Partners. And then we got TREB, Trebia Acquisition Corp. This seems like it's doing a lot, but if you look at the numbers, it's really just bouncing between 10 and 11, which is not that much movement when you think about it. Some other key buy levels I just wanted to point out. These are levels from In the Money Stocks free action blog page, so definitely go check them out. Big follower of theirs. Love their content, love what they do. And those guys are both geniuses on there. They're both master traders. These are some of G-Man's levels. As you can see, he has QS QuantumScape Corporation. He actually made some money off this. I didn't get in this one, but he got in at about, the $48 range, and today popped up for about 56. I'm not sure when exactly he got out, but I know that he banked a good like 10% on that. So kudos. And that's always a good trade level right here, right where it kind of bounced up. This is kind of what he saw and what he took, and that's what he explains on his page as well. I believe RDFN was one of them as well. Let me just wait for this to load here. I don't know what exactly, honestly, I don't really know what this stock and why I had this in here. I don't really remember, but it did have a nice little bounce. I'll keep that on the radar. You know, I actually don't want to be a buyer of this stock until, you know, it gets somewhere down to this range. This is where I kind of like it more. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and take that one off. That's the beautiful part about a watch list, is you can just take things out as you wish. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Take a look at the semiconductors. This is there's a good level here at around the 200. This is from G-Man as well. So about the 200 level, this is where you'd want to be a buyer because of the industry support in this big red bar here. Plus it kind of took off right here and split and made a new high. So that's definitely a good one to look at. Let's say we also got Square as well. So Square, you'd want to be a buyer around the 193 level. And that's definitely a good level based off, again, the big green bar, big reversal here down to red. And then it came back up and popped up and made a new high. So this is definitely a good level to watch out for as well. And then the last one I have is Trade Desk. That's TTD. Go ahead and check it out right here. A huge gap up from about 655 to 840-ish. That's definitely where, this level is definitely where you want to be a buyer of this stock. Right now it's broken through the 50 moving average, so that's a very bearish sign, and it looks like it has more wiggle room to go down to this level. So that's a good sign if you're trying to be a buyer. If you're already in it, you might want to get out. And that's really, you know, all I have for today, guys. Again, these G levels, it's Gareth Soloway and themoneystocks.com. Man is a genius. Go check him out. I do get these from his free action blog, so they post these on our website. I'll make sure to shout them out as well. Feel free to go ahead and follow them at inthemoneystocks.com. Anyways, other than that, that's really all I had for today, guys. Keep that stuff on the radar. Neo, be a buyer of Neo Day is coming soon. If you want to make a quick buck, that's one way to do it. And I will see you guys on the charts.